everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today I am opening some doll mail. I'm very excited to open up a package that got here a couple days ago. I've been not so patiently waiting to open it. It contains some handcrafted Harry Potter items from a seller we have purchased from multiple times. Her quality is always excellent, and I knew this would be no different. I know it will be great. Super excited. Before we dive into that, though, a couple quick things. First order of business. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate you taking a quick moment to do that now. And while you're at it, you can tap that notification bell so that you always get an alert and know when I upload new videos. Thank you. Next, I want to talk about this doll. She is one of the new bajillion Truly Me dolls that American Girl released recently. Truly Me number 116, Marie Grace mold, which many of us were excited to see make a comeback. And we got 3 options. She has light skin, blue eyes, and this bright wig. Not a lot of dolls in our collection have the brighter so-called fantasy hair. There is just something about this one though. As soon as I saw her, now I can't speak for my wife, but as soon as I saw her, I pictured Luna Lovegood. I know Luna Lovegood was portrayed by a blonde actress, but there's just something about her. She's sweet and quirky looking and very Luna-esque. So of course she's wearing this outfit. What else can I say about this doll? I am not a big fan of the length of her bangs. They're really similar to Luciana Vega's to me. The big difference though is I feel like Luciana's bangs are kind of always in her face. So if you don't love them, you're kind of stuck with them. With this doll though, I feel like if you want them, great, you keep them down. If you don't, easy peasy, just do what I did. Sweep them off to the side. They look like they're part of her long hair. You can't even tell she has bangs. So I like that versatility of her. Anyway, love this doll. We bought 2 of the new Truly Me dolls when they first released. It was number 112 and this one, 116. No regrets about either one of them. They're both gorgeous. Next, I want to talk about this outfit. This Luna Lovegood outfit was purchased from an Etsy shop called Dress Me Magic. We've purchased several items from there, and you cannot go wrong. She always delivers on quality, on details, the whole package. Lovely, lovely products. So anyway, the things that didn't come with this outfit are the hair bow that I borrowed from my daughter, the Spectra specs she's wearing on top of her head. I believe we got these from a different Etsy seller. They're printed in hard 3D plastic because the ones that came with this outfit were paper and not quite as sturdy. She's also wearing Yvette's meat boots. The outfit did come with handmade, soft-soled, really cute brown boots, but our dolls have a little easier time standing up in hard-soled shoes, so she's wearing Yvette's meat boots. The leggings, though, the socks, the skirt, the tweed coat, and the satchel and everything in the satchel, which is a wand and a Quibbler magazine and maybe another paper product. All of that is from Dress Me Magic. If you have never purchased anything from that shop and you like Harry Potter things and want to support a small business, I cannot say enough good things about her shop. So please head on over there. I will definitely link that shop in the description. Now for the doll mail. Here we go. It's a small box, but I think we ordered 6 or 7 things, so there's a lot in there. Yeah, get ready for fun. Get ready for packaging first, right? Oh, here's a cute thank you card. Look at the little owl. She does not currently have an Etsy shop or really any shop. She primarily sells in Facebook American Girl doll groups. We reached out to see if she has a shop yet, and she says she will soon. Her name is Becky Courier Hoffman, and when she starts her shop, I will add it to the description. Thanks, Becky. Look at this cute bag. Little organza bag with some gold stars and moons. Very on theme. I don't know if I mentioned it, but these are primarily Harry Potter foods. And they're well packaged. All right. Oh, it's so cute. I will move it closer in a second, and I'll be sure to take pictures to put those at the end. But this is a Treacle Tart, which I have never had in real life. If you've had Treacle Tart, let me know in the comments. Do you like it? It's very cute. The edges of the crust are nicely browned. Lots of attention to detail. Adorable. Next up, if I'm seeing this correctly, yes, we've got some pumpkin pasties or pumpkin pasties, depending on who you ask. We ordered 4 of them because when we do a table setting, we're not going to set up a long Great Hall style, but we will have 4 chairs, so everybody needs a pumpkin pasty. Oh, I love them. You could eat these. They're gorgeous. I have had pumpkin pasties, so now I want them again. All right, here we've got some desserts and the iconic butterbeer. This is exciting. Yay! All right. These go up for sale on the Facebook groups. Oh, hold on. Ah, it's so cute. It was called Pumpkin Dessert Cup. So I can just use my imagination. I'm picturing that this is a graham cracker crust at the bottom and some kind of pumpkin spice flavored pudding or flan in the middle, topped with whipped cream. I can fill in the blanks. Oh, I love them. Anyway, these go on sale in a Facebook group that we are members of. Check out this butterbeer. It's so cute. These are really nice cups or mugs. Look at the foam. So some of them we got 2 of instead of 4, partly because we have a budget we have to be mindful of, and we were ordering a lot of things, but also this stuff goes quickly. It's like an Etsy release for popular Etsy shops. This is the only thing that we got that wasn't handcrafted. I think these were sold separately in little boxes in stores. But supposedly the wand should be a good fit for an 18-inch doll, so why not? Back to the handcrafted things, though. If you are a Harry Potter fan, this box should be a clue. Scissors, don't fail me now. All right. We're getting there. I'm excited. It's like Christmas. The excitement and all the packaging and tape of Christmas. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let me get it out. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. It's the birthday cake that Harry received from Hagrid, that Hagrid made for Harry. Aw, happy birthday, Harry. You're 11. I love it. Okay, the last 2 things are not food, they're shirts. So let me get this open. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Classic, iconic line. And the other one... Aw, don't worry, you're just as sane as I am. The Luna Lovegood quote. Of course, she will be the one wearing it. Yes. All right. So thrilled with this. Okay, now let's see pictures. And last but not least, Harry's birthday cake. All right, that does it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you for my next video.